Manufacturing resource management means basically managing all of the resources needed to manufacture or to undertake a manufacturing process. That would include, first and foremost, the process definition. What is the manufacturing process? What are the sub-steps in that process? It means managing also the resources needed to do that process, such as tools. So the challenges of not managing the resources is that lots of those data would need to be generated later on. And again, it is needed. We need the data to manufacture the process. So by managing it in Windchill and managing it in parallel, we get an ability to have that ready for the manufacturing start. We also lose the ability to connect the design to the process and thereby also control what is it that we need to do that process. Managing the manufacturing resource management also in our PLM system is very valuable so that we can connect the processes that we have with the resources needed to do that process, such as tools, equipments, consumables, so that in the end we build a complete data set for what is needed to manufacture that product. So benefits are such as time to market, it is the quality, and it is also efficiency in how we do our manufacturing preparation. And as we design, we can also design and mature the process and make sure that the requirements for what is a successful process is thought through, and that the design of that is linked and documented in our PLM system and ready for when we do the product introduction.
Thank you for watching. If you're looking to accelerate time to manufacturing while ensuring small changes in engineering don't have a larger impact on production, PTC can help. Learn more by clicking the link in the description below, and also be sure to subscribe to our channel so you're notified when new videos are added. See you next time.